Okay, we're starting the track saw. Setting it up. Oh, and a quick thank you to Festool for these track saw tracks. They have their signature green color on them, which is nice. We're putting the clamps in that hold the track to the table, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're using the straight edge to make sure it's straight, and it's really straight. So,
I gotta change the blade real quick, bud.
okay, we're changing the blade for our track saw. And the saw blade is now on.
Okay, here goes. Ready?
Yep.
We're gonna take it in 2 passes. That way it's not too hard on the saw.
Now we gotta add a track on the other side.
Alright, so the customer at the last minute, they wanted me to go from 34 down to 30 inches on this. So better smaller than bigger, right? So we can move our mark over and cut it right there. So we'll do that cut next.